Hi, this is Carolin, and if you have problems like me with your little T-Rex arms, I do, to really secure your baby on your back in easy rock because it's so up high, I have a little trick for you here today. So, as always, you do strand by strand tightening, shoulder sandwiching. You also have everything ready, and then you take the rail and keep it really tight here, and then you pass it over to your other hand and far away. So what you can do now is with your hand you just let go, you can really put this up high and make sure it's still tight and comes to the other front, and we do it again. So you have sandwiched, you have strand by strand tightened, and then you take a long way to the other side. And now you grab with your free hand up to here, you can kind of pull this bottom rail at the baby's bum under your strands here. And now you have everything done. And it is at least a bit secured, and that's absolutely enough to have an easy work with a little one and T-Rex arms. So if you find this interesting, please subscribe to the Oscha's channel, and of course all the safety instructions are here as well. This is just a little trick for you if you struggle like me with short arms and shoulder mobility. Have fun trying.